I get you. 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 You got the she got the hiccups. Oh, mommy, get you too. She's laughing about it. Was that funny? You got the hiccups? Is it funny? It's so funny. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're so cute and beautiful. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. You love your mommy too? Oh, I'm so sorry I gave you hiccups. I scared the hiccups out of you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What? I love you. I know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gonna scare you again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I love you. I get you. I get you. I get you. I can't scare them away. Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I scared them in and can't scare them away. What is it? What is it? Oh, tell me about it. Tell me all about it. What? What? Really? Did you say mama? Say mom. Yeah, she loves her mommy so much. And mommy loves her too. What else? And what else? Do you have any more stories? Any more stories? No more stories today? No more stories? I love you. I do. You make your mommy smile so big. Yes, you make your mommy smile so big. You do. I love you.
Tickle her.
I cannot tickle her. I cannot tickle her. What is that? Okay. No more tickles. And no more tickle. And no more tickle. And no more. I love you. I do. I'm sorry I gave you hiccups. I'm sorry. Mommy will rub your back. Mommy will rub